Imagine a mysterious light show appearing in the sky right before an earthquake shakes the ground beneath. These captivating illuminations, known as earthquake lights, have puzzled scientists for centuries. Occurring either before or during seismic activity, these eerie glows often manifest in the form of spectacular flashes, bright orbs, or even streaks of light illuminating the night. Though rare and unpredictable, possible explanations for these phenomena include electrical discharges in the atmosphere triggered by tectonic stress or the presence of certain minerals in the Earth's crust that become electrically charged. Despite many theories, earthquake lights remain one of nature's most enigmatic spectacles, leaving us in awe of our planet's dynamic mysteries.